Hello, future QA professionals. Welcome back to QA Testing Made Easy. Today, we've got something special in store for you. We're going to answer 20 QA interview questions that can make or break your job interview. So, if you're preparing for that big QA interview, stay tuned. Question 1. Interviewer, tell me about yourself. Answer, sure, my name is X, and I am a passionate and dedicated QA engineer with X years of experience in the software testing field. My journey in software testing began during my academic years, where I developed a strong interest in finding and resolving software issues to ensure smooth user experiences. Throughout my career, I have had the opportunity to work on various projects and collaborate with cross-functional teams, including developers, BA, Scrum Master, product managers, and other stakeholders. This exposure has allowed me to understand the entire software development lifecycle and the importance of effective communication and teamwork. In my previous role I was responsible for designing and executing test cases, conducting thorough regression testing, and reporting and tracking bugs to resolution. I actively participated in agile ceremonies such as sprint planning and daily stand-ups, contributing to the team's success in delivering high-quality software within tight deadlines. One of my proudest achievements was implementing an automation testing framework using Selenium and Cucumber, which significantly reduced manual testing efforts and increased test coverage. This initiative not only saved time, but also improved the overall reliability of the testing process. Over the years, I have worked on various projects in different domains such as finance, education, e-commerce, to name a few. I have over 5 years working experience working with relational and non-relational databases. I have also contributed to mobile testing efforts on numerous projects, where I have done native, hybrid, and web apps testing. As a QA engineer, I believe that attention to detail and a methodical approach are essential. I am always eager to stay up to date with the latest testing tools and methodologies to continuously improve my skills and deliver better results. Tips: I always suggest people to explain this question as elaborate as possible in many cases. This is the first question, so practice this over and over, minimum 100 times. Check out my other video on how to answer this question in details. Question 2. Explain your role in Agile methodology, or it might be asked differently, such as explain your current work Agile process, or tell us about your Agile, Scrum experience. Answer: as a QA tester in Agile methodology, my role is integral to ensuring the delivery of high-quality software products. My responsibilities revolve around the following key aspects. Requirements. I begin by thoroughly understanding the project requirements and objectives. This involves collaborating with stakeholders, developers, and product owners to clarify any ambiguities and ensure a shared understanding of the expected outcomes. Test planning. I participate in sprint planning sessions to provide input on testing efforts. I help identify testable features, estimate testing efforts, and determine testing priorities for the upcoming sprint. Test design and execution. During each sprint, I design and execute test cases based on user stories and acceptance criteria. I focus on both positive and negative scenarios, covering functional, non-functional, and regression testing. Continuous testing. Throughout the development process, I actively engage in continuous testing. I collaborate with developers, product owners, and other team members to understand user stories and acceptance criteria, creating test cases accordingly. Automated testing. I contribute to the automation of test cases whenever possible. Automated tests ensure faster feedback, improve test coverage, and support the Agile principle of delivering a potentially shippable product after each sprint. Defect reporting and tracking. If I encounter defects during testing, I promptly report them, providing detailed steps to reproduce the issues. I collaborate with developers to resolve defects and verify their fixes. Continuous improvement as part of the Agile culture. I actively participate in sprint retrospectives. I share insights, discuss challenges, and propose improvements to the testing process, aiming to enhance the team's productivity and quality. Collaboration and communication. Effective communication and collaboration are critical in Agile. I work closely with developers and product owners to clarify requirements and ensure a shared understanding of expectations. Adaptability and flexibility. Agile projects are dynamic and may involve changing requirements. As a QA tester, I remain adaptable and flexible, quickly adjusting testing efforts as needed to accommodate changes. Test feedback and validation. I provide valuable test feedback during sprint reviews, ensuring that user stories meet the expected quality criteria before they are marked as done. Test documentation. While Agile values working software over comprehensive documentation, I maintain essential test artifacts such as test plans, test cases, and test data for future reference. In summary, as a QA tester in Agile methodology, my focus is on collaborating with the team, continuously testing features, ensuring high-quality deliverables, and embracing a mindset of continuous improvement to deliver successful and valuable software to customers at the end of each sprint. Question 3. How do you report a bug? Or explain the bug creation and management process in your current company? Answer. As a QA engineer in my current company, the bug creation and management process is a well-structured and essential part of our software development and testing life cycle. Here's an overview of how we handle bug creation and management, bug identification, during the testing phase. When I encounter any unexpected behavior or issues in the software, I immediately identify and verify the bug. I ensure that the behavior is reproducible and consistent. Bug reporting. Once I've confirmed the presence of a bug, I use our Jira bug tracking and project management tool to create a detailed bug report. This report includes essential information such as bug summary, description, steps to reproduce, expected behavior, actual behavior, screenshots, and any other relevant attachments. Severity and priority. I assess the severity and priority of the bug based on its impact on the application and business. Severity defines the extent of impact on functionality, critical, major, minor, while priority indicates the urgency of fixing high, medium, low. Assigning and tracking. I assign the bug report to the respective developer responsible for the affected area. I also keep track of the bug's progress, ensuring that it is actively being worked on and updated. Steps to reproduce the bug. I add each step in details how to reproduce the bug. Add screenshots, video. With each bug report, I add screenshots and videos when possible to capture. Regression testing. After a developer addresses the bug and implements a fix, I conduct regression testing to verify that the fix does not introduce any new issues and that the software is stable. Communication. Throughout the bug life cycle, I maintain open communication with the development team, product owners, and other stakeholders. This helps ensure everyone is aware of the bug status and potential impacts. Closure and validation. Once the bug fix passes regression testing and meets the expected criteria, I mark it as closed in the bug tracking system. I also validate the fix with product owners or stakeholders if required. Documentation. I document all the bug-related information, including steps to reproduce and details of the fix. This documentation serves as a knowledge base for future reference. Bug metrics and reporting. We analyze bug data regularly to identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement. Bug metrics are shared with the team and management to assess software quality and guide decisions for process enhancement. Continuous improvement. As part of our Agile culture, we conduct periodic retrospectives to discuss bug management and testing processes. We use feedback from team members to implement improvements and refine our bug management approach. Overall, our bug creation and management process is streamlined and integrated into our agile development cycle. By promptly identifying, reporting, and resolving bugs, we ensure the delivery of high-quality software that meets our customers' expectations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more valuable insights on QA and testing. Best of luck with your interviews, and remember, you've got this.